As with notes, you can add a dot to a rest to extend its value by half its original value. If you are not familiar with the basic rest values and dotted notes, you may want to watch my video on that topic first. Notes tell us how long to play a sound for. Rests tell us how long we should remain silent. Rests take their name from the note of the same length. Let's look at an example of a dotted rest. A dotted minim rest, also known as a dotted half rest, has the value of a minim rest, also called a half rest, which lasts for 2 beats, added to a rest half its value, which is a crotchet rest, also called a quarter rest, which lasts for 1 beat. So a dotted minim rest tells us to stay silent for 3 beats in total. Let's listen to a dotted minim rest in practice. Notice that the dot of the dotted minim rest sits in the 3rd space from the bottom of the stave. A dot can be added to any of the rest values covered so far in this series. A dotted crotchet rest has the value of a crotchet rest, which lasts for 1 beat, added to a rest half its value, a quaver rest, also called an 8th rest, which lasts for half a beat. So a dotted crotchet rest lasts for 1.5 beats in total. Let's take a look at a dotted crotchet in practice. The dot of a dotted crotchet rest also sits in the 3rd space from the bottom of the stave. There are a lot of complicated rules around when a dotted rest can and can't be used, but we'll cover those in another video. As with dotted notes, a dotted quaver rest gets a little more tricky as we need to add fractions of a beat together. A dotted quaver rest has the value of a quaver rest, which lasts for half a beat, added to a rest half its value, a semi-quaver rest, also called a 16th rest, which lasts for quarter of a beat. So a dotted quaver rest lasts for 3/4 of a beat in total. Let's take a look at a dotted quaver rest in practice. As with the previous 2 rests, the dot of the dotted quaver rest sits in the 3rd space from the bottom of the stave. If you found this video helpful, you may want to check out this video on naming the notes on the treble clef.